Welcome to Papa Junk Shop. I had a viewer want to know if I could show him some more details on how I do my solar panel tilting, the adjustable part of it. So I'm going to make a quick video, and it's time for me to move these another notch anyways. And we finally quit raining after a few days here, so. What the brackets amount to is a piece of 1.5-inch angle iron. I'm guessing that's probably a piece of bed rail. I'm going to do this one on the end here because it's easy to see. And there's another piece of angle iron up here. This one is probably 1.5 inches by 2. And it has a bolt through it. There's 2 that go up through into the wood to mount it. And then down here on the post, there's another one, the same thing. This side is narrow. It doesn't have to be, just what I had to use, I'm sure. And then this angle iron piece, of course you have a hole up here in the end. And for my particular setup, I decided that I wanted 5 places, so I drilled 5 equally spaced holes in this angle iron. And what I'll do is, there's 3 sections, 3 posts, and what I'll do is I will just spin this nut off, and they're only finger tight. It's been 2 years, never had any trouble. And then you just pull this off. I'll just put the nut back on there. I'll do that. I'll skip the middle one. I'll go down to the third one, do the same thing, and then I'll take the middle one off, and I will physically move it and put it back on. And then I'll come back and put these 2 back in the new position. Then I just keep doing the same thing for all of them. And I'll put you on a tripod and you can watch me do it. That's all there is to it. This one's done. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.